Assalamu alaikum, dear student. This is your Sakib sir. Welcome to my class again. And today we are going to start. I think finished chapter 3. Okay. First, let me know my sound quality, video quality, everything is okay or not. Just let me know. Please write in the comment box. Everything is okay or not. Walaikum Assalam. Yeah, Nazrul Islam. Walaikum Assalam. Write in the comment box everything is okay or not. My sound, are you listening to me clearly or not? And video quality, everything is okay or not? This board positions, everything. Okay, just let me know, all of you. Write in the comment box. Okay, walaikum salam. Write your name, rule and section clearly. Sir, everything is clear. That's very good. Okay. Walaikum salam. I think today we are going to finish our chapter 3. And I will try to give the CQ sheet today. And I hope all of you will do very carefully. Okay, after 3 days. After 4 days, right? After 4 days, we will see again in the class, and within these 4 days, I will see your all homeworks and everything. Okay, and I hope all of you will do your homework, every single math. Try to do it at your home. Okay, 3 or 4 CQ I will upload. Okay. All of it, I want to tell all of you, just try to do it. Okay, if you try, even you can't do it, if you try 1 or 2 times, I think it will improve your capability, how you can do it, how to proceed. Okay, even it is wrong, it's also okay, no problem, but you have to do it. You have to do by your own. Okay, so let's start our class. So you know that today we are going to start number 26, because up to 25th we have finished in last class. Okay, so today I am going to start 26. Okay, the chapter name is measurement. Okay, exercise 3, mathematics. Okay, and 26, number 26 we are going to start. What is 26? The base and height of a parallelogram are 40 meter and 30 meter respectively. Okay, just only one line stem we have given. Okay, first one, the questions number 1, this define parallelogram along with drawing. So we have to write the definition of the parallelogram. Okay, and number 2, determine the area of the parallelogram. After that we will go there. Okay, so first we have to write the definition of the parallelogram. Okay, so what is the parallelogram? Okay, first I am just drawing the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. Okay, this is the parallelogram. Okay, if you want to identify A, B, C, D, it's also okay. Oh, no problem, it's not a problem. Okay, so parallelogram. Definition of the parallelogram. What is parallelogram? The quadrilateral which has the quadrilateral which has opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, the quadrilateral which has opposite sides are equal and parallel, but all sides are not equal. All sides are not equal. Okay, opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles are also equal, called parallelogram. Okay, so number A we have done. This is the definition and this is the diagram. Okay, number B. Walaikum salam. Can anyone tell me which page is page number 55? Page number 55. Okay, Muna Meherun Ma, please don't talk. Okay, most of the classes I have seen. Okay, lots of comments you have. Okay, so we are going to next problem. Problem B. What it is? We have to find the area of the, determine the area of the parallelogram. So we have given 40 meter and 30 meter. We can even write here 40 meter and this one is 30 meter. 40 meter and height for base and height of the parallelogram. We can write even 40 meter or leave it here. Okay, no problem. So we are drawing the diagram. Okay, we have given 40 meter is the base of the parallelogram. 40 meter. Okay, so 40 meter is the base of the parallelogram and 30 meter is height. This one is height. Okay, 30 meter. We have to find the area of the parallelogram. So given, okay, base of the 30 40 is okay. So base of the parallelogram is 40 meter. Okay, and height of the parallelogram is equal 30 meter. So area of the parallelogram is equal 40 meter into 30 meter. So this is square meter. Okay, so 40 into 30 is 12 and 00 square meter. Okay, so answer is 1200 square meter. That's it. That is our required answer. Walaikum assalam. Afnan Shari Nolindo. Walaikum assalam. Okay, Gulam Sakla Nirjor. Walaikum assalam. Okay, try to copy. Okay, all of you just try to write and after that we will go to next problem. 1200 square meter. Okay, thank you. Can you tell me whether rectangle is a parallelogram or not? Yeah, rectangle also parallelogram. Rectangle also a parallelogram. Kind of. In class 8 you will know that rectangle also one kind of parallelogram, and rhombus also one kind of parallelogram. Okay, and yeah, rectangle, rhombus, and parallelogram itself is a parallelogram. Okay, these brilliant questions. Chamili Shorkar, I mean Adrika. Thank you, Adrika. Yeah, স্যার এটা তো এড করা যায় না। বিপুল রঞ্জন সাহা, none of the angle is 90 degree in the definition of the parallelogram. It's not a problem, it's also okay, because if this side is not equal, so angle not possible to be a 90 degree. Okay baba, okay Bishwajit. If you want, you can write this line. Even I can I written here extra. This is not included in the definition, but not all side, but all sides are not equal. If you want, you can write, but if you write up to that, the opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are also equal, it's called parallel. It's also okay, no problem. ডান স্যার, স্যার একটু বড় করে লিখলে ভালো হয়। বড় করে লিখলে ভালো হয়। ওকে, okay, so I am going to next one. Okay, number C, if the area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of the square, find the perimeter of the square. Okay, so area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square. Area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square. Okay, so we are going to number C. From B we get number C. From B we get area of the parallelogram is equal 1200 square meter. 1200 square meter. Okay, area of the parallelogram is 1200 square meter. Okay, written in the questions, if area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square, what will be the perimeter of the square? So let, okay, if we can write even one line more, no problem. If area of the parallelogram, if area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square, we can write area of the square. Okay, let one side of the square is x meter. Okay, one side of the square is x meter, so area of the square is equal one side square, so you can write x into x equals x square, or directly you can write x square. It's also okay, no problem. X into x, it's also okay, or if you write x square directly, it's also fine. So x squared square meter. So by the question, area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square. So look at that, area of the parallelogram is 1200 square meter, and area of the square is this 1200 square meter, and area of the square is x square. So we can write by the question, okay, x square equal 1200 square meter. Okay, we have to find the square root of 1200. Okay, so x square root over equal 1200 root over. Okay, we can write here taking square root in both sides, square root in both sides, okay. So we can write it, just we have to do the square root here, 1200. Okay, you know that how to do it. In chapter 1 we have done there. Okay, okay, so here 12, so we have to take 3 times 3 is 9 here. Okay, so here is 3 and 0, because we have to take pairwise, so 2 0 here. Okay, double of 3 equals 6. So if we how many times will go? I think 4 it is. So if we put here 4 times 4 is 16, we have 1. 4 times 6 is 24, 1 25, it's 25. So it is 0, 6 it is 4, 9 minus 5 it is 4. Okay, so we are putting here point and 00 for point. It's also be 00 because single digit can't use in there. Okay, always takes pairwise. So here 0 is also pairwise. Okay, so 44. We have to take double of 34. The 34 double is 68. 68. How many times? It's I think 6 times. So everything is okay. What's your comment? Just let me see 1 second. 97 student now. Okay. Mona Meheruner বাজনা কমেন্ট সেকশনটা অনেক বোরিং এই জন্যে okay, so if we put here 6 times, so 6 36, we have 3. 6 times 8 is 48, 3 51. Okay, we have 5. 36 36 and 5 is 41. Okay, so if we subtract here, it is 4 and 9 minus 1 is 8, is 3 minus 1 is 2, 284. Is it okay, all of you, my all brilliant students? Just try to do it. Okay, let me know the answer. This is why I am doing this one. I think you have to do, all of you. বাইচে গেছি কি বাইচে গেছো? Rectangle has 2 pairs of opposite sides parallel and 4 right angles. It is also a parallelogram. Yes, you are right, Olindo. Good boy. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides. A square has 2 pairs of parallel side, 4 sides, and all 4 sides are equal. It's also a rectangle and parallelogram. Yes, you are right. So how many rectangles we have? First one, square also a one kind of parallelogram, rectangle also a one kind of parallelogram, rhombus also a one kind of parallelogram, and parallelogram itself a parallelogram. So four figures we can say is parallelogram. Okay, in class 8 it's based on that concept. It has I think 2-3 theorems also. Okay, so again we are putting here 2 zeros. Okay, so how many times? Double of this one. So double of this one, 346. Okay, we are not counting point here. This is the rules of square root. So 346 times 2 is 692. I think 692. Okay, how many times you can take? I think it is 4 here. Okay, so we are putting 4. 4 times 4 is 16. We have 1. 4 times 2 8, 1 9. Okay, so 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, so 36 6. We have 3. 4 times 6 24 and 3 27. Yes, 27. So what is remaining here? It is 4. Okay, and 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 13 minus 6 is 7. Here is 7, here is 2. So 704. We're taking just up to 2 positions. It's okay for us. Okay, so we can write here, therefore I'm writing here. Okay, therefore one side of the square, okay, one side of the square is equal to 34.64. So perimeter of the square equals 4 times of this amount. Okay, so 4 times of 34.64 meter. So if we multiply 4, so 4 into 4 16. We have 1. 4 times 6 is 24 and 1 25. We have 2. 4 times 4 is 16 and 2 18. Okay, we have 1. Okay, 4 times 12 and 1 13. So 2 position, 138.56 meter. That is our required answer. Answer is 138.56 meter. Okay, $99. At this moment, all of you together, it is 99 student. Sir, repeat please. Repeat which one, Baba? 5 6. Yeah, it's okay. Zarif 7. That's really good. 138.56. Which part I have to repeat? Okay, who has written there? Repeat, sir. Okay, yeah, approx. If you want, you can write approx. It's also okay, no problem. Okay, because here is just remaining parts here, so it's looking like it's not finished yet. Okay, so it's no problem. If you want, you can write approx. It's also okay. Okay, which part I have to repeat? It's one student, just last part. Okay, Nodar Aptahi, see last part. Okay, Baba. Okay, I am repeating again. Okay, last part, look at that. This given here, the area of the parallelogram is equal to area of the square. Okay, so from B we get area of the parallelogram equals this number, I mean 1200 square meter. And look at that, one side of the square is x, so area of the square is x square, so x square equals 1200. Okay, we are just doing simply square root. You have done lots of square root, different kinds of square root in the in chapter 1. Okay, so we did just simply square root here. Okay, and what result we get here? It is one side of the square, because look at that, one side of the square is x meter. So x means one side of the square. Okay, x means one side of the square. So the value of one side of the square is one side of the square is 34.64 meter. It should be meter here. Okay, or you can write square is x equals 34.64 meter. If you write x, is okay, no problem. So now perimeter of the square 4 times. Why 4 times? Because this is the square, for example here this one is the square. Okay, so square means what? These 4 sides are equal, so we get one side. If we multiply it by 4, automatically we get this 4 side of the length. Okay, because these 4 sides are equal, that is why I multiplied here. Okay, for the perimeter. Okay, if you want, you can add this one plus this one plus this one plus the 4 times you have to add together. Okay, now you understood, Baba? Nudar, just write in the comment box, do you understood or not? Blurry. Okay, let me see why it is blurry. But here it's looking very clear. Okay, it is okay now, all of you? Blurry, sir, blurry. Okay, 2-bit online class. Why it is blurry? Now it is clear now. Halka ঠিক হইছে, sir, blurry. Okay, let me see again. I am just doing refresh here. Let me do it. Now it is clear. Is it clear now? Sir, it's fixed. Sir, now clear. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, it's not related to me, because blurry and we are unable to see anything. It is clear now. Okay, just look now. Now it is clear. Okay, thank you. So we have finished this 26, the CQ 26. Okay, we are going to next one. I am erasing this part. Okay, all of you written, just write in the comment box. Okay, have you finished your writing or not? Clear, sir? Okay, sir, ekdom সুন্দর ভাবে clear. Thank you, Malia Rahman. Now it is totally clear. Okay, all of you just complete your writing. Sir, yes, now clear. Okay, sometimes it is happen because of the internet connection. Okay, all of you just complete your writing. After that we have to go to next problem. Okay, so I am starting problem number 27. Okay, 27. These kinds of problems normally comes in the exam. Okay, so you have to just concentrate these kinds of problem. even this problem also, because this problem is really important problem. Okay, express the perimeter of the parallelogram. Okay, what's problem we have given in the drawing, I mean one figure we have given in the question. In the drawing, the perimeter of the parallelogram ABCD is 300 meter. So we have given perimeter of the parallelogram is 300 meter, and the area of the triangle ADF is 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram. So first we have to express the perimeter of the parallelogram in kilometer and centimeter. So perimeter of the parallelogram is 300 meter. We have to convert this 300 meter into kilometer and centimeter. So first one, given perimeter of the parallelogram is 300 meter. Okay, this 300 meter we have to convert into kilometer and centimeter. So we have to convert kilometer into centimeter. So we can write 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. Then we can write this way, or in kilometer, or just leave it. Okay, we know we know 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. Okay, 1 meter equal 1 divided by 1000, this kilometer. Okay, so 300 meter equal 1 into 300 divided by 1000. So this one gone, equals 3 divided by 10 equals 0.3 kilometer. This finished. Okay, we have to convert it to again in centimeter. Okay, in centimeter. So again 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So 300 meter equals 100 into 300 centimeter. We can write 300 centimeter. Okay, so answer is zero 0.3 kilometer and 30,000 centimeter. Okay, that's it. Very simple, very easy. All of you can do it. This is the MCQ kind of question. Okay, Tahsin Farouk, forget. Okay, Joe's poem is what? Joe's poem Ikra হচ্ছে section. Okay, Ikra নদিশা কালকে ম্যাথ ক্লাসকে নিবে. Okay, কালকে ম্যাথ ক্লাস কে নিবে? Just see the routine. Okay sir. Okay, so let's go to next problem. Okay, so I am arranging this part. Easily you can do it. It's very easy. Okay, so we are going to second part. Second questions. How many square meter is the area of the parallelogram? Okay, so number B here we are drawing how many square meter is the area of the parallelogram. So we are drawing the figure. This is the parallelogram we have given. Okay, the parallelogram we have given. This base of the parallelogram is 2x, and another side is, this side is x, and this side also x. This side is 2x, and height of the parallelogram is 5 meter. That's it. Yes, that's it. Okay, so we have to find the area of the parallelogram. So first we can write given perimeter of the parallelogram is 300 meter, okay, and base of the parallelogram is equal to x meter, and other parallel sides are, okay, x meter each. Okay, so perimeter of the parallelogram equal, we can write 2 into x plus 2x, or you can write, it's up to you, no problem, you can write x plus 2x plus 2x plus x. This way you can write, it's up to you, no problem, both ways correct. Okay, you can write 2x plus x plus 2x plus x, sum of all sides. The main concept is perimeter always sum of all sides. Here given parallelogram, that is why sum of four sides. If we have given for example pentagon, sum of 5 sides. If we have given hexagon, so hexagon sum of 6 sides. Okay, so sum of all sides. Perimeter, the concept is perimeter is sum of all sides. So we can write here 2 into x plus 2x is 3 times of x equals 6x. Okay, 6x. So here look at that, perimeter of the parallelogram is 300 meter and here is 6x meter. Okay, so we can write by the question 6x equals 300 meter. Easily we can find out the value of x. Okay, because without the value of x we cannot find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so easily we can write by the question, okay, 6x equal 300 meter. So x equals 300 divided by 6, so it is 50. So we can write it is 50 meter. Okay, so x equals 50 meter. So we can write, therefore the base of the parallelogram, equals to x equals 2 into 50 equals 100 meter. Okay, so base of the parallelogram is 100 meter and given height of the parallelogram is 5. Given height of the parallelogram equals 5 meter. Okay, so area of the parallelogram equals base into height, so 100 into 5 equals 500 square meter. So required answer is 500 square meter. Okay, so number B finished. All of you write in the comment box, do you understand or not, or any part of this maths I have to repeat or not. Okay, repeat please, which part? Jihan Rahman, repeat please. Okay, Baba, just write in your comment box which part I have to repeat, or whole problem I have to repeat. Okay, no problem, whole problem I am repeating. Okay, so perimeter of the parallelogram is given in the question. So look at that, it's given in the question, perimeter of the parallelogram is 300 meter, it's given. Okay, and base of the parallelogram, here look at that, in the figure of the book it's given 2x base of the parallelogram, and another other parallel sides are also given, it's x meter each. Okay, so perimeter, what does it mean? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Here is 4 sides, 1 2 3 4, sum of 4 sides. That is why I add, sir, can you please repeat? Yeah, I am repeating. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, done and understood. Very good, thank you. I am repeating, Baba, no problem. Okay, up to when you just tell me, just repeat, sir, and this line or this part I don't understand, I will repeat, no problem. Okay, so look at that. What is perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides, 1 2 3 4, these 4 sides. So as opposite sides are equal, this base and this lines is equal, and this line and this line is equal, opposite side. That is why I have just 2 into x plus 2x, or if you want you can write 2x plus x plus 2x plus x. That's why also correct, it's not a problem. Okay, so we find, okay, by the notation of the x, it is the perimeter is 6x, and given in the questions the perimeter is 300 meter. Okay, so easily we can write 6x equals 300 meter. Of course it is logical, right? Okay, so we have written here 6x equals 300 meter, so the value of x equals 50 meter. So here given this base of this parallelogram is 2x, so we are just putting value here, 2x equals 2 into 50 meter equals 100 meter. Okay, Babara, Jihan, right? Do you understand or not? And height, already we have given, height of the parallelogram is 5 meter. So easily we can find the value of the area of the parallelogram is base into height. So base into height, base is 100 meter and height is 5 meter. So it is 500 meter. Done. Okay, Anika, I'm done. Very good. Anika is very regular student. Okay. Okay, so this one is finished. Done, sir. Very good. Wonderfully well. Okay, so I am going to number C. Okay, just we are keeping this figure here. We are going to number C. What C here? Determine the length of AF. We need to find the value of AF. So look at that. The figure. This one is A. Okay. In the B, if you don't write the A, B, C, D, it's okay. But at C, we have to write, because here we have to notify this AF, which part AF here. Okay, so this one is F, B, C, and this one is D. Okay, so we have to find the value of AF. This part we have to what the value of AF. And one clue we have given, the AFD, this triangle. Okay, this triangle we have given, this 1/4 of the area of this triangle equals 1/4 of whole parallelogram. X equals 50 meter. So here 2x equals 100. Okay, x equals 50. So 2x equals 100. So we have to find the value of AF, only AF. The clue we have given, AFD equals area of AFD equals 1/4 of the area of the whole parallelogram. Okay, 1/4 of the area of the whole parallelogram. Okay, let's see how we can find out. Okay, from B, this one is C. From B we get, you have to write this new figure at your copy. Okay, so from B we get area of the parallelogram is 500 SQ.M. Okay, 500 square meter. Okay, area of the given, what's given in the questions? Area of AFD triangle. Area of the AFD is 1/4. We can write in word 1/4 FOUR 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so area of the AFD triangle, this triangle is 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so area, therefore area of AFD equal 1/4 of 500 square meter. So if you divide, what it is 1 here, so it is 1 0, it is 2. Okay, and 2 0 is 20, is 5, so 125 square meter. 125 square meter. Everything is okay, all of you? স্যার ওইটা 5000 স্কোয়ার মিটার হবে। 5000 স্কোয়ার মিটার কেন হবে? কেন বাবা? No, not 5000 square meter. Look at that, height is 5 and base is 100. Okay, the value of x is 50, so the value of 2x is 100. So 100 into 5, not 5000, it's 500 baba. Okay, বিশ্বজিৎ, বিপুল রঞ্জন সাহা, বিশ্বজিৎ স্যার ওইটা 5000 স্কোয়ার মিটার হবে না? নো বাবা, 500 square meter. It's okay, it's correct, it's 500 square meter because height is here 5 meter. Okay, if it is 50 meter, height is 50 meter, it will be 5000. Okay, here height is 5 meter and base is 100 meter, so it is 500 meter is okay, 500 square meter is okay, no problem. Yeah, yes sir. Oh sorry, yeah, it's okay. Okay, so 120 square meter. Area of the AFD is 100 square meter. Okay, so and area of the AFD, we can write here area of AFD half into we know that area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half base equals AF and height equal DF. Okay, so we can write equals 125 meter. Okay, so DF, we know that DF equals 5 meter, so we can write 5 AF divided by 2 equal 125 square meter, or 125, later we can write. Okay, so we can write 5 AF equals 2 into 125, so 250. So AF equal 250 divided by 5, so what it is 50 meter. It is 50 meter, so therefore we can write AF equals 50 meter. Answer is 50 meter. Our target was we need to find the value of AF, so it is 50 meter. So it is 50 meter. Write in the comment box everything is okay or not. Train to corona sint. What is train to corona sint? Thanks for taking our class, sir. Zuhaib. Hi Zuhaib, from before. After a long time I have seen you. Why Zuhaib? Good boy. Fatima Suni, I think 100 এর জায়গায় 1000 দেখছিল. Leave it. Okay. Train to corona cent. What is train? 30 meter base of triangle or AF. Not 30 meter, Baba. It's 50 meter. Okay. Dancer class শেষ হইলে বইলো রোহান okay, thank you. It was easy, sir. It was easy. Okay. Zarif Samin sir, 5F also 5 kibabe. Okay, 5. So the value of DF, look at that, the value of DF is 5. Okay, the value of DF is 5. So if we multiply, if we just put the value of DF is 5 here, height. Okay, Baba? Samin, Zarif Samin, 5 DF ashlo kibabe. Look at that, we just put in the value of DF is height 5. Okay, that is why 5AF. Okay, understood, Baba? Dancer, everything is okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, dancer, sir, repeat the calculation. Okay, Zaidur Rahman Oppo. Okay, repeat the calculation, no problem. Okay, look at that. In the questions we have given 1/4 of the whole 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram is equal to AFD, the area of the triangle. Okay, so that is why I have written here area of the AFD equals 1/4 of 500 square meter. 500 square meter is area of the whole parallelogram. Okay, I think, do you understand this line? And after that we are going to next line, area of the triangle AFD equals, we know that area of the triangle means half into base into height. So look at that, half into base, AF is base, okay, and height is DF or FD, you can write. Okay, so DF, the value of DF is 5 meter, so we are putting 5 here. Just directly I multiplied. Okay, this 1 is in the numerator, 1 into AF into 5, so it is 5AF. Okay, and 2 is here is denominator. Okay, directly we are just cross multiplications. 5AS equals 2 into 125 is 250. Okay, and AF 250 divided by 5, it is AF equals 50. Okay, Babara? Okay, 5AF kibabe holo, the DF equals 5, the value of DF equals 5. Look at that, this DF equals 5. If you put the value of 5 here, 5 into AF, so it is 5AF. Oh sir, I understood. Okay, very good. Eto typing kemne koro tumra. Okay. Okay, done, sir. 1/4 of 50 hobe. 1/4 of 500. Already I have written. 500 hobe. 500. 300 কেন? Ehtesham, why it is 300? 1/4 of 500. Written here 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram. 300 meter is the perimeter, Baba. Ehtesham, you made a mistake. Okay, not 1/4 of 300. Of course, it is 1/4 of 500 because 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram, not perimeter of the parallelogram. Okay, written there 1/4 of the area of the parallelogram. So look at the book carefully. I think you will understood. Okay, Zoom class is for just like thank you sir for the class. Arif Al Sharia Anan. Okay, Baba. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Class to shesh hoy nai. Okay, 55 minutes. Okay, class almost over. My target was I need to give another CQ, but it's not possible, I think. Okay, I will give as a PDF file. I will upload it, okay, in the group very soon. I mean today I will upload it, and you will get your homework. You have to submit. Okay, I'm not writing in the board, all of you. Okay, thank you very much for attending the class. Okay, for attending class for yourself, for ourselves also. because if you attend in the class, we are just feeling good to take the class. Okay, we are inspiring to take your class. Okay, if good number of student in the class, it's really good for us as well as good for you, because if you attend the class, you can understand what it is actually. And the very good thing is that online classes, it's recorded, and all the time you can find the videos in the group, and repeatedly you can watch it. So it's really good. Every single moment is recorded, and you can watch it in the online. So it's really good. Okay, but offline class, you can repeat it. This, if missed one class, that means it's gone. So I think it's one kind of blessings for you also. It's also this one logic, one side logic is another logic. It's not good, because without interactions, direct interaction, education is not good for anyone. Okay, it's really different kinds. Okay, thank you so much for attending the class, and all the time what I said. Okay, be fine, be healthy. Okay, and be safe, and stay at your home. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.